JK Franklin Colts, we're back for another week of virtual learning. And Coach Garcia and I are here to teach you today about our skill for the week. Our skill for the week is going to be tossing or underhand throwing, as some of you might know it. So we're going to discuss some different things you can use around your house to work on learning and getting yourself better at that skill.
I like how Coach Sandera said underhand throwing. A toss is different than a throw. We're not throwing overhand, we're tossing underhand. Now some of the things that you can find around the house, we have a small ball here, we have a bean bag, we also have just a paper towel that we rolled, kind of crumpled up a little bit, and we have a clothing item. You can use socks or you can use a shirt and roll it up and take it in like a ball, okay? Now we're gonna practice, we're gonna go over the steps of underhand tossing. So, for underhand toss, you grab your object. Remember, you want to aim to the target that you're throwing at. So, we have a basket here.
You can get a laundry basket or a bucket or anything like that.
And we want to aim at that target. We want to aim at that target. So I'm going to back up a little bit. I'm going to aim. Now we're aiming with our foot. So we're going to step forward. You can also aim with your hand if you want, but I know that I'm throwing right there. I'm going to bring my arm back and I'm going to toss it forward. It didn't go in. I'm going to pick it up. It's okay. Come back.
Boys and girls, when you toss, I use this hand. This is my right hand to toss, okay? So when I toss, just like Coach Garcia said, I'm going to step with my opposite foot, so my left foot, and I'm going to bring the item back. I can aim with my hand, and I'm going to bring it back behind me and toss and let it go forward, okay? And it's okay if you miss, and it's okay if you make it. We're going to show you a little game in a minute.
I like how Coach Sender reminded you all to bring to step with the opposite leg, because you're able to bring this leg back and not have it in the way when you're tossing. Okay, Coach, now that you've practiced enough, now we want to show you all a little game to play. You're going to have your 5 objects. Remember, they can be anything from around the house. 4 objects, actually. I have 4 back there waiting for me. You're going to back up away from the basket. You're going to practice tossing into the basket. If you make it, perfect. You go back, you run back, grab the next object. If you miss, you're going to have to do 5 burpees, okay? So, we're going to start the game. I'm going to aim, step, throw, toss. Distance, I got to do 5 burpees. Come down, kick out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aim, step, toss. Ow, I missed again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, okay, Franklin Colts, I missed my last ball. After that, you can get the ones you missed, run back. Remember, the objective is to get all of the balls into the basket, or all of your items into the basket by tossing, okay?
You can, if it's too easy for you, you can get a smaller bucket, different objects. You could even try something like even a cup or a glass that you have at home, as long as it's not breakable. The point of the skill is that we really want you to make sure you're stepping with the opposite foot, you're bringing your hand back, forward, and then releasing up here, okay? You can do this a few times, one time, do more exercises, kind of make it your own after that, okay?
Anything to challenge yourself, okay?
Bye, Colts.
Bye, Coach.